Hey guys, today I'm going to tear down a Fujitsu Lifebook battery. It's for the models T4210 and 4220. It is rated at 10.8 volts and 5200 milliamp hours. So I hope I get some good batteries out of it. Let's see what's inside. It opens quite easily, almost no pressure. So we have the total of 6 batteries. Let's see. Nice. And that's the PCB. Okay, let's tear it down. Okay, I'm done with this, and now to measure the batteries. This one. This one is not good. Nope. Wow. So all of them are quite dead. I will try to charge them with my TP4056 charger right now, and I'll put them in my Opus later, just to clean this one a bit so I don't cut myself again. That's minus, that's plus, and plug it in. It started charging. I'll give it a few minutes while I'll clean the other batteries and see. I'm not quite sure about the type of batteries. I will check them a bit later and post the type and make and details in the description. So in the description of the video. Right now, I also want to check and see if they're going to start charging. I'm being more careful on the negative side because I already punctured a few batteries while opening, and some gas vents out, which I read that is not very healthy. So, but on the plus side, on the positive side, there is no immediate danger of any gas leaking. So I tend to clean it better and push a bit more. Okay, let's disconnect this one and see if there is any change. Hold it a couple of minutes. Yep. So it did start charging. I'll put them in my Opus a bit later and refresh them and see if they gain any life, or otherwise I will have to recycle them. And this one started charging as well. Okay, let's see. Plus, minus, plus. Yep. Minus, plus. Yep. Okay, so all of them started charging. I'll put them in my Opus now, and we'll see by tomorrow. Maybe I'll have more results. Just a shameless plug. To test if they take charge, I use my homemade DIY magnetic charger. It's my design, and I already posted on the STL files on Thingiverse, so you can 3D print the enclosure and the magnet holders and make your own. Okay guys, thank you very much for your time and have a good one. Bye.